Hello people. Today I'm going to discuss about Rufila International Limited, a company that manufactures the rubber thread. So my question here is it the best time to enter the stock for creating wealth? Let's see. Let's know about the company. Rufila International Limited is a public listed company promoted by Rupro from Malaysia along with Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation and has been in operation since 1994. The company is listed in Bombay Stock Exchange since 1994. It is the only manufacturer of heat-resistant latex rubber thread in India. Also, it is the only manufacturer of talcum-coated and silicone-coated rubber threads in India. It produces threads with sizes ranging from small to the larger diameter. So from here 2.1 mm to 0.28 mm diameter. And if you see the different products of this company, as we already discussed, talc coated rubber thread and silicone coated rubber thread. This is the company with only manufacture for these threads, and also the heat resistant latex rubber thread. Along with it, it also manufactures the colored rubber thread, furniture grade rubber thread, a rubber thread for medical applications, rubber thread for food meat packaging, rubber thread for catheter making, rubber thread in bobbins. So if you see the different applications of these rubber threads, so which we use it in day to day life, so which we can't skip them. So here it is a hosiery application. So prime use of the rubber thread is in hosiery applications. Latex rubber threads are primarily used to manufacture various types of elastic tapes, mainly for foundation garments like briefs, trunks, panties, brasseries. You have shorts, pants, skirts, sportswear, sock, tops, etc. They're also used in elastic tapes for diapers, shoe uppers, headbands, and wristbands for sportsmen and travel goods. So it has some special applications. Like rubber threads are also used to make fishing baits and in pole fishing. Colored rubber threads are used in these applications. Colored rubber threads are also useful for making the toys like push balls and doll hair, etc. Medical netting, braids, laces, cords, polycatheter manufacturing, and webbing for furniture are other applications for this rubber thread. Let's see the important slide next, which is the fundamentals. Coming to the company, it's a micro cap company with a market capitalization of 570 crores with a revenues of approximately 340 crores. And the best part is it has declared a very positive result in September 2021, the latest quarter, with 27% increase in the sales. And it's a debt-free company with a good ROE of 17% and ROCE of 19.2%. And if you see the P by E is also 12.8%, 12.8, which is against the industry average of 17. So dividend yield is 1.26% and book value is 2.96%. Being a micro cap with a high beta stock, you need to apply caution when to while holding this stock. Majority of the stock is with promoter with no institutional holding. And coming to the returns so far, it has generated a very good returns. If you had a hold it for longer term, for the say the tenure of 10 years, it has given 2,731% return. And even if you take the 1 year returns, it has given 118% against the BSC 39.97%. Year till date is also fine of 75%. So in the last 1 month, it has underperformed looking at the market conditions as of now. And last 1 week, it has given 3.52% return. And if you see the technical chart of this company, this is a weekly chart which I'm showing here. And you can see the good buildup of some volumes here in the last 2 weeks. And if you see here, it has really formed a flat base and The best part is it just crossed the 50-day moving average. This is the 50-day moving average line, and this is 200-day moving average line, and it has closed above its 50-day moving average. So, if the market opens with the bullish tone in the next trading session, and this stock is going to do perform well. And if you are holding for long term, this is a good bet according to me. And in the last, let me give my conclusion. As per my view, this is the best time to enter the stock for the long term for creating wealth. There's immense scope for this rubber industry, which you can't avoid, and also less number of competitors for the products which Ruffilla produces or manufactures. It's a debt-free company with a good EPS year-on-year growth along with good ROC and P/E. Revenues are also increasing year-on-year, and also technically it is showing strength in the weekly chart. So this is my conclusion. So thank you for watching. Bye.